a Manhattan-bound 5 train. The next stop is Baychester Avenue. This is 145th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound. This is a Bronx-bound 5 train. The next and last stop is 149th Street, Grand Concourse. This is a 3rd Avenue, 149th Street bound 2 local train. The next stop is Prospect Avenue. The next and last stop is 161st Street, Yankee Stadium. The next stop is 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 5 train. The next stop is 3rd Avenue, 149th Street.
Second nostalgic color street.
167th Street. This is a Brooklyn Bridge-bound 6 train. The next stop is 33rd Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 6. This is the Bedford Park Boulevard-bound 4 train. The next stop is This is a Bowling Green-bound 5 express train. The next stop is 68th Street, Winter College. This is 68th Street, Winter College.
This is a Bedford Nostrand Avenue bound G train. The next and last stop is Bedford Nostrand Avenues.
This is a Bronx-bound 5 express train. The next stop is 68th Street, Winter College. This is a Bronx-bound 5 train. The next stop is 110th Street. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street.
Attention everyone, if you have questions or need to report an issue to the police, the MTA police is located at the station.
Transfer is available to the 6th, 7th, and 7th Times Square.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad and Metro North. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
This is a Bowling Green-bound 5 express train.
The next stop is 86th Street.
This is a Bowling Green-bound 5 train.
The next stop is Bowling Street. The next and last stop is
Bowling Green. This is an East 180th Street bound 5 local train.
The next stop is 174th Street. The next and last stop is East 180th Street.
This is a Rockaway Park bound A train. The next stop is Beach 98th Street. This is a Rockaway Park bound A train. The next and last stop is Rockaway Park.
This is a Grand Central bound 4 local train. The next stop is 116th Street. This is a Grand Central bound 4 local train.
The next stop is 68th Street, Hunter College. The next and last stop is
Grand Central, 42nd Street.
This is an East 180th Street bound 2 train. The next stop is Intervale Avenue. This is 180th Street bound. The next stop is This is 110th Street, Malcolm X Plaza. This is a 3rd Avenue.
This is a Grand Central bound 5 express train.
The next stop is
86th Street.
The next and last stop is
Grand Central,
42nd Street.
This is a Nereid Avenue bound 5 train.
The next stop is Allerton Avenue. This is a Bronx-bound 2 train. The next stop is
138th Street, Grand Concourse. This is a Bronx-bound 6 local train. The next stop is Canal Street. This is a Bronx-bound 6 local train. The next stop is Bleecker Street. This is a Bronx-bound 6 local train. The next stop is 14th Street, Union Square. This is a Queens-bound F local train in Roosevelt Island. The next stop is 23rd Street. This is a Queens-bound F local train in Roosevelt Island. The next stop is 14th Street.